Hi, this is Mark Hennebury from Solid Wood Machinery, and this is a saw I currently have for sale on my website, solidwoodmachinery.com. I just finished rebuilding this. It's a 1976 Martin T17. It's made in Germany, all cast iron, weighs nearly 2,000 pounds. Beautiful joinery saw. This was Martin's last joinery saw before they went to panel saws. So this one is a little bit of a crossover. It's mostly for joinery work. It has a very large capacity. This is a 16-inch blade. It'll take up to 18-inch, and it'll cut 5 3/4 inch depth on there. It has a large motor, 6.3 or 7.5 were standard on these. It also has a scoring saw, so you can do panel work with it. It's got a very long extension on here so that you can do cross-cutting and ripping plywood sheets. It also came with the option of the scoring saw. This one has the scoring saw. It's a separate motor. It has a spindle lock for the scoring saw. Inside here it also has the spindle lock for the main saw and a riving knife attachment on the back there. For joinery work, this is excellent. It's got a lovely all roller bearing on here. This rolls on bearings, 8 bearings. They're adjustable so you can snug it up. The cast iron track here can be pulled forward if you're doing wide panel boards, or it can be pushed out the way for regular joinery work. It has an extension cross-cut fence here with a telescopic extension on it and flip stops. This is not the original Martin one. It was not on the saw when I got it and is no longer available, so this is an after different manufacturer's one. I made the brackets and the post up here for mounting it on here. There's a couple of really nice features about this saw. The fence here is pretty slick. It's a cam lock. It runs on roller bearings. Really nice, locks down solid and easy. And then it's got this super fine adjustment here which you read off the scale. I haven't put the tape scale on there because this table is being removed for packing. So, but I do have a new tape scale for here. So this fence is pretty slick. You can run the fence in and out, locks in here, slide it forward. You can also flip it over, use the small side down there. Really neat height adjustment on the blade and tilt. Down here you have 2 knobs here which adjust the scoring saw position up and down and left to right. This is the lock for the trunnions. You loosen that, tilt this, really easy. One complete turn is full 45 degrees. It's all marked in here, so it's extremely easy to set up accurately. The saw tilt mechanism is spring assisted, so it makes it very easy, although it's a very heavy motor on there. It makes it very easy to tilt it. On here you've got the lock for the height adjustment. Super smooth, super easy. One complete turn, 3 millimeters. One increment from here to here is 0.1 millimeter. It also has the, tells you in inches. 1/64 is from here to here. So it's really easy to set it up accurately without measuring. These are the controls on off for the main spindle, scoring spindle, emergency kick stop there. On the side here you have the door, gives you access to the motor. On the back you have another door, gives you access to changing the speeds on the main spindle. Main spindle has 3 speeds, 2800, 4000 and either 5 or 5500, not quite sure on that now, forget that. The fence can be slid right off the back here and got off the table entirely. Slide it back onto this and lower that down. This again is a cam lock. Really nice saw, beautifully made, well thought out, really nice precision saw. It's on my website, Solidwood Machinery, if anybody's interested. Thanks for looking. Bye.